Welcome, today I'll show you how to customize your quick launch into DOOGEE V20. Firstly, open settings, and first option, if you what I want to open, it's intelligent assist and quickly open camera. This one option. This option we can turn off or turn on. So activate this option now and go back. And another option of our quick launch, it's easy key. And here we got three options of our click. This key on the left side of our phone. So, and here we customize all of these options. So, for example, single click. Here we can choose from standard option, start recording, open flashing, screenshot, open source, and another. And we can open application, for example, Play Store or message. Okay, Play Store will be nice. So go back and double click, open, maybe do screenshot, and one more time, and long press. For example, open up some application, and maybe it will be YouTube. Okay, go back, and now let's try this option. Single click, and we open our Play Store. Double click, do screenshot, and long press, open YouTube. And how you can see, this option works. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.